Hello and welcome back to Clear Voice English. Today we are going to talk about something that almost every English learner struggles with. How to speak English without overthinking, without freezing, and without fear. If you have ever felt nervous when speaking, if you have ever stayed silent even though you knew the answer, then this video is for you. Stay with me until the end, because I will give you real examples, simple stories, and practical steps you can use every day. Part 1. Why we get stuck. Many learners say, I know the words, but when I try to speak, my brain stops. Does this sound like you? Imagine this. You are in a restaurant. The waiter asks, what would you like to drink? You want to say, I'd like a coffee, please. But suddenly your brain panics. Should I say I want or I'd like? Do I need to say please? What if I say it wrong? While you are thinking, the waiter is waiting. You feel nervous. Finally, you just point at the menu. Later, you feel bad because you knew the words, but you couldn't speak. This is not about grammar. It's about overthinking. Overthinking means your brain is too busy. You are checking every little thing, word order, tenses, politeness, and the words get stuck. And here's something important. Native speakers also make mistakes. They forget words. They say and They don't stop to think about grammar in daily life. So if you try too hard to be perfect, you will sound robotic. But if you relax and let the words flow, you will sound natural. Part 2. The 3 big traps. Now let's look at the 3 traps that make overthinking worse. Trap 1. Translating in your head. This happens when you build the sentence in your own language, then try to turn it into English. For example, Maria from Brazil wants to buy a ticket in London. The seller asks, single or return. She thinks in Portuguese first, then tries to translate word by word. I would like a pass of go and come back. It feels safe, but it's slow. The line grows longer, Maria feels nervous, and finally she says the wrong thing. The problem is, the translation is like a bridge with traffic. It takes too long. The solution is to start simple in English. Look around and name things. Red bag, tall man, bus stop. Use short mini-stories. The boy runs. He eats ice cream. No translation. Trap 2. Grammar obsession. This is when you pause too much because you want to be 100% correct. Ahmed, an engineer from Egypt, is at a cafe with colleagues. They ask, how was your weekend? Instead of answering naturally, Ahmed's brain opens a grammar book. Past simple, past perfect. Should I say, I have gone or I went? Finally, he whispers, I have gone to, the park. The talk moves on, and Ahmed feels left out. The truth is, in real life, grammar is like salt in food. A little is good. Too much ruins it. Focus on being understood, not being perfect. Trap 3. Fear of judgment. Many learners worry, what if they laugh at my accent? What if I say it wrong? Liang, a student from China, wants to order pizza in New York. He plans to say, 1 slice of pepperoni and a bottle of water, please. But he thinks, my R sound is bad. They will laugh. So he points quickly and gets spinach pizza, which he hates. The truth, most people don't care about your accent. They care about your message. Your courage is more impressive than perfect grammar. Part 3. Mindsets and friendly strategies. Now, how do we escape these traps? Here are 3 mindsets and 6 simple strategies you can use every day. Mindset. 1. Progress over perfection. Think of English like a plant. You water it every day with small words and sentences. Slowly, it grows. You don't need a perfect flower today. You just need to keep watering. Mindset 2. Use it or lose it. You don't learn to ride a bike by reading books. You get on, wobble, and practice. English is the same. Don't wait until you feel ready. Speak now. Mindset 3. Mistakes are messages. Every mistake is a teacher. I bought a ticket teaches you bought. Without mistakes, you can't grow. 6 friendly strategies. Think in English. Describe simple things around you. Blue sky, noisy bus. I'm hungry. Shadowing. Listen to a short clip. Repeat it with the same rhythm and tone. 1-minute freestyle. Speak for 60 seconds on any topic. Don't stop. Don't worry. Record and review. Record your voice. Notice one good thing and one thing to improve. Filler phrases. Use, well, you know, or let me think, when your brain needs time. Describe, don't pause. Forget a word? Explain it. The thing you use to open cans instead of can opener. Part 4. Daily habits for speaking without thinking. Now let's make it practical. Here's how you can train your brain to speak freely. The 1-minute habit. Every day, speak for just 1 minute. Topic examples. My breakfast. My favorite place. My weekend. It's short, simple, and powerful. Like brushing your teeth, it becomes normal. Speaking ladder. Week 1. Speak 1 minute alone. Week 2. Speak 2 minutes. Week 3. Speak with a partner. Week 4. Record a 3-minute story. Step by step, you climb higher. Celebrate mistakes. Keep a mistake list. Write down funny or wrong sentences you said. Add a gold star. These are your medals of courage. Closing. So remember, don't translate too much. Don't be obsessed with grammar. Don't let fear stop you. Instead, think in English, practice daily, and let mistakes guide you. Say this with me right now. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to speak. That's the first step to talking English without thinking. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe to Clear Voice English for more simple and clear lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.